Good morning student. Today we are going to see 11th standard economics chapter 5 market structure and pricing. Today we are going to see the wastes of monopolistic competition. There are 5 kinds of wastages under monopolistic competition. Idle capacity. Unutilized capacity is the difference between the optimum output that can be produced and the actual output produced by the firm. In the long run, the monopolistic firm produces deliberately under output which is less than the optimum output. That is the output corresponding to the minimum average cost. Here we see the firm long run, the monopolistic produce the output less than the optimum output. This is done so mainly to create artificial and raise the prices. This lead to excess capacity which is actually a waste in monopolistic competition. In the marginal of the quantity of the output refers to the unused capacity, and then OF is produced, the society will be get a larger quantity of the lower prices. Next we see the unemployment under monopolistic competition. The firm produces less than optimum output. As a result, the productive capacity is not used to the fullest extent. This will lead to unemployment of the human resources. At the result, productive capacity is not used fullest extent. This will be lead to unemployment of the human resources. Next we see the advertisement. There is a lot of waste and competitive advertisement under monopolistic competition. The competitive advertisement lead to high cost to consumers. They claim the advertisement cheat the consumer by giving the false information about the product. Introducing the too many of the variety of the goods. Another waste of monopolistic competition. The goods differ in size, shape, style, color. A reasonable number of the varieties would be sufficient. Cost per unit can also be reduced. If only a few varieties are produced in large quantity instead of large varieties of small quantity. Inefficient firms. Under the monopolistic competition, inefficient firm charges the price higher than the marginal cost. Such types of inefficient firms should be kept out of the industry. The buyer's preference for such a product, mostly due to the emotions, enables the inefficient firms to continue to exist. Efficient firm cannot drive out the inefficient firm because sometimes the efficient firm may not be able to spend money on attractive advertisement to buyers. It relative the consumer is mostly emotional rather than the rational. Stated by the Richard Nobel Prize winner for the year of 2017. Rational decisions are made for mind, emotional decisions are made for a heart. Duopoly. Duopoly is the special case of the theory of the oligopoly. There is called a duopoly. Argument exists between them even though they are independent. Monopsony. Monopsony is a duopoly means two seller. Monopsony is the market structure which there is only one buyer of the goal or service. Mono means single. The customer has a monopsony power in the market. Monopsony is analogous to monopoly, and monopoly has maker power on the demand of the side rather than the supply side. Bilateral monopoly refers to a market situation in which a single product monopolist product faces a single buyer. That the product. However, assume that is a rival and unaffected by what does. They takes only in this own district influence on the price. What are the characteristics of duopoly? Characteristics of duopoly. Duopoly means two sellers. Each seller is fully aware of his rival motive and actions. Both the sellers they agree the all matters regarding the sale of the commodity. They may enter into the cutthroat competition. There is no product differentiation. They fix the price for their product with the view to maximizing their profit. Next we see the oligopoly. Oligopoly is a market situation in which there are a few firms selling the homogeneous differential product. Example, oil, and it is difficult to find out the number of the firms in a competition among the few. With only a few firms in the market, the action of the firms will likely to affect the others. For a few large firms, very few big firms own the major control over the whole market by producing the major portion of the market demand. Interdependence among the firms. The price and quantity decision of the particular firm depend on the price and quantity decision of the rival firm. Group behavior. The firm under oligopoly. What is the meaning of oligopoly? Oligopoly realize the importance of mutual cooperation. Advertisement cost. The oligopolist could rise the sales either by advertising or improving the quality of the product. Nature of the product. Perfect oligopoly means homogeneous product, and imperfect oligopoly deals with the heterogeneous product. Price rigidity. Simply the price are difficult to be changed. Oligopolistic firm do not change their price due to the fears of the rival reactions. Here we see the comparison among the features of various market. Features: perfect competition, monopoly, monopolistic competition. Number of producers, innumerable, only one, large. Nature of the product, homogeneous product, perfect substitute. Unique, no close substitute. Differentiated product, close substitute. Here no close substitute, here monopolistic competition, close substitute. Control over price, price taker, price maker. Same control depending on the branch loyalty. Same means price taker and price maker. Entry, free. Perfect competition, free. And then monopoly, barriers to entry. Monopolistic competition also free. Profit, abnormal profit, loss in short run, normal profit in long run. Monopoly, profit, abnormal profit in short run, normal profit in long run. Market knowledge, complete and partial. Average revenue curves, parallel to x-axis, perfectly elastic. Fairly flat, more elastic. And then quantity, very large, less compared, substantial. Price, uniform and low, high, moderate, and then market power, nil, absolute, limited. Conclusion of this lesson. Different firms and characteristics of different markets have been studied in this chapter. Market in general is divided into perfect competition and imperfect competition market. Imperfect market consists of monopoly, monopolistic competition, duopoly, monopsony. In long run, firm earn normal profit. Under imperfect competition, the seller would manage to reap the larger profit depending upon the degree of monopoly power. Equilibrium, a situation state at which a firm ceases to rest. Equilibrium price, the price at which the quantity demanded of a good equal to quantity supplied. Firm, a single firm organization which employs the factors of production to produce goods and sells. Long run, the period of time during which all factors of production are variable. Marginal cost means addition made to total cost. Marginal revenue means addition made to the total revenue. Monopolist, a single seller. Price maker, the power in the firm set, the price maker. Price taker, the feature of the firm accept the price fixed in the industry. The lesson is completed. I hope you all understand this lesson. Thank you, student.